Monday Minute at Automation Direct. Automation Direct is excited to launch a new high-speed Pulse Combo I/O module for the Brix PLC line. The HSIO4 high-speed Pulse Combo module is capable of handling up to a 2 MHz frequency and offers 8 high-speed input points, syncing sourcing TTL, single-ended encoder inputs, and 8 high-speed output points, syncing sourcing TTL single-ended outputs. Both inputs and outputs can also function as 4 different ins and outs for applications in high-noise environments. The outputs are powered by an internal 5 volts DC and outputs have overcurrent protection. High-speed systems using precise counting, timing, or motion need an I/O module that can process high pulse rates independent of the CPU scan. The Brix PLC's intelligent high-speed I/O modules can track or supply up to 2 MHz pulse rates, are ideal for precision control. Don't forget to pick up the required ZipLink module for the new Brix high-speed I/O module. The new Brix PLC HSIO module carries these certifications and a 2-year warranty. Learn more by visiting automationdirect.com/brx-plcs. Click here to see other Monday Minute videos. Click here to see more products from Automation Direct.